Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about deleting a Facebook page on your iOS or Android device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, on how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. And we're going to start off by just opening up your Facebook app. And what you want to do is select your profile icon on the top right, and then select or access your Facebook page by either selecting your shortcut, or if you want to see this little arrow that's going around in a circle, should have your company profile here. Go ahead and select that. You want to switch over to it. And then you want to select your profile icon again up in the top right. It should be your business icon now. And now you want to select the gear icon in the top right and scroll down underneath your information and select access and control. Select deactivation and deletion and select where it says either deactivate this page, delete the page, or unpublish the page. And it'll tell you that deactivating can be temporary, unpublishing can be temporary, but deleting the page is permanent. Make any selection you want, and then you would select continue to follow through with that. And that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.